Hello everyone, welcome to our technical podcast. I am Ashwini.
And I am Bindu. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, image generation using generative AI.
Yes, nowadays AI images are everywhere on social medias, advertisement, movies and even education. So Bindu, what exactly is image generation using generative AI?
Yeah, image generation is a process where artificial intelligence creates a new images using prompt or existing images. In simple words, if a user gives an input, it will take those input and it will generate a new image. So that is what image generation is doing currently.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So the AI understands our text and converts it to an image.
Yeah, exactly. That is what the AI model does. It is trained using millions of images and caption, and because of this training, it learns from the patterns, colors, objects and styles and then creates completely new images.
Okay. Can you explain how this works in a simple way?
Sure. First, the user gives the prompt. Okay, it will enter the prompt. Then, generative AI model analyzes those words and understand what kind of images they are asking. After that, model generates image step by step using deep learning techniques.
Okay. Which technologies are mainly used for this?
Mostly deep learning and neural networks are used. Popular models include GANs, which stands for Generative Adversarial Neural Network, and diffusion models.
Okay. I have heard about GANs before. What are exactly they?
They are actually the two neural networks which are differently working. The first one generates the image and the other one looks for whether the image is real or fake. So both improves continuously and finally the AI creates an realistic images.
Interesting. What about diffusion models?
A diffusion model works very differently compared to GANs. They start with random noise and slowly convert it into a clear image. Mainly, modern AI use diffusion models because they produce high quality images, right? So diffusion models are used for creating high
What are
quality
some
models.
popular image generation tools?
Mostly we have the current trending is OpenAI. So OpenAI have Midjourney and Adobe Firefly. These tools can generate the realistic art like cartoons, posters and many even designs like doodles within seconds.
So, even people without drawing skills can create digital art.
Yes, exactly. This is one reason why Gen AI is becoming very popular.
Okay. Where is image generation used in real life?
It is used in many areas like graphic design, advertising, marketing, gaming, movie animation, fashion designing, education, social media content creation, and even many companies use this Gen AI for posters and their advertisements.
So that saves a lot of time and effort.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So what are the main advantages of image generation using AI?
The most biggest advantages is it saves time, reduce the design cost because they don't need to pay the cost for the labors, right? And increases the creativity and generates image very quickly within seconds and help beginners create professional designs.
So are there any disadvantages or challenges?
Yes, sometimes AI images can contain error, right? It can provide some error and unrealistic details. So they are all unethical concerns like creating the fake images or copyright issues. So AI should be used very responsibly.
That is true. Technology should always be used carefully. So what is the future of image generation?
The future is very exciting. AI generated videos and images will be becoming more realistic and interactive. In future, we may create movies, games and virtual worlds using text instruction. Nowadays, we also have series on AI videos. So, yeah.
Great. That sounds like science fiction becoming reality. So thank you Bindu for explaining about image generation using generative AI in such a simple way.
Thank you, Ashwini. It was great discussing this topic.
And thank you everyone for listening to our podcast. We hope you learned something new about generative AI.
See you in the next podcast. Thank you.